Welcome to Cage Studios Vault. So you think you have what it takes? Well, let's see how well you do. You have just 8 seconds to provide an answer. What you gonna do, cry? Or just do it? Well, let's go.
I am a number. Multiply me by 2 and add 8. The result is 20. What number am I?
Answer equals 6.
What has a face and 2 hands, but no arms or legs?
The answer is a clock.
If 3 cats can catch 3 mice in 3 minutes, how long will it take 100 cats to catch 100 mice?
The answer is 3 minutes.
What comes next in the pattern? 2, 4, 8, 16.
The answer is 32.
What number do you get when you multiply all the numbers on a telephone keypad?
The answer is 0.
I am a number between 10 and 20. Divide me by 2 and the answer is an odd number. What number am I?
The answer is 15.
What's the next number? 1, 3, 6, 10, 15.
The answer is 21.
What is the smallest whole number that is equal to 7 times the sum of its digits?
The answer is 21.
A grandfather, 2 fathers, and 2 sons went to a movie. How many people went?
The answer is 3.
If it takes 5 machines 5 minutes to make 5 widgets, how long will it take 100 machines to make 100 widgets?
The answer is 5 minutes.
I am a 3-digit number. My 10's digit is 5 more than my 1's digit. My 100's digit is 8 less than my 10's digit. What number am I?
The answer is 194.
A bat and a ball cost $1.10 in total. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost?
The answer is 5 cents.
What 3-digit number has digits that add up to 12? The hundredths digit is 3 less than the tens digit, and the ones digit is double the hundredths digit.
The answer is 462.
A farmer has 17 sheep and all but 9 run away. How many does he have left?
The answer is 9.
What 2 numbers multiply to 36 and add to 13?
The answer is 4 and 9.
A rectangle has a perimeter of 50 centimeters. If the length is 15 centimeters, what is the width?
The answer is 10 centimeters.
If 3 kids can eat 3 pizzas in 3 hours, how many pizzas can 6 kids eat in 6 hours?
The answer is 12 pizzas.
I am a number. Multiply me by 4 and subtract 6. The result is 18. What number am I?
The answer is 6.
What 2 whole numbers have a product of 16 and a sum of 10?
The answer is 2 and 8.
A man has 53 socks in his drawer, 21 blue, 15 black, and 17 red. How many socks must he take out to ensure a matching pair?
The answer is 4 socks.
Solve for x. 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 equals 5 divided by 6.
The answer is x equals to 2.
I am a number whose square equals the sum of my digits times my number. What number am I?
The answer is 9.
If 1/2 of 5 is 3, what is 1/3 of 10?
The answer is 4.
A girl has as many brothers as sisters, but each brother has only half as many brothers as sisters. How many brothers and sisters are there?
The answer is 4 sisters and 3 brothers.
You have 2 eggs in a 100-floor building. What is the minimum number of attempts needed to find the highest safe floor?
The answer is 14.
You have 8 balls, 1 heavier. How can you find the heavier ball with 2 weighings?
The answer is weigh 3 versus 3. If equal, weigh 1 versus 1 from the remaining 2.
What is the smallest number that leaves a remainder of 1 when divided by 2 to 6 but is divisible by 7?
The answer is 301.
A cube has a volume of 27 cubic meters. If the surface area increases by 50%, what is the new surface area?
The answer is 81 square meters.
What is the next number in the sequence? 1, 11, 21, 12, 11, 111,221.
The answer is 312,211. You've reached the end of the math riddle. Congratulations! How did you do? If you enjoyed this video, smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.
Fatality.